Essentially, where a public adjuster is going to be very valuable is when there are large or complex claims, like a large commercial claim. You've got thousands and thousands of squares. There's probably going to be a lot of intricacies where a public adjuster can find more value than just a traditional supplementing company. Also, if there's a claim, even a residential claim, where you have coverage issues, as a contractor, you're really prohibited from addressing that directly with the carrier, and it only leaves you the options of either hiring a public adjuster or sending it to an attorney. I would say get some referrals. Just like anything else, a referral carries the most weight because that has to do with someone's personal experience with that person or that company. So ask around. Don't just hire someone at random. Do a little bit of background checking and ask around and try to find a recommendation from a trusted friend. To be honest, you can contact anybody at the Catalyst Group, right? The Catalyst Group is kind of a way that it vets the companies that are members there. It also holds them to high professional standards. So that would be one way, or there are some associations and things like that where you could reach out to them for a recommendation of someone that is in your area and serves the types of clients that you serve.